Some of the most serious potential problems associated with the loss of sleep are high blood pressure, diabetes, heart attack, heart failure, or stroke. Other potential problems include obesity, depression, impairment in immunity, and lower sex drive. Moreover, did you know that sleep deprivation can even affect your appearance? Remember, these are the most severe health effects caused due to lack of sleep in humans. You've made a wonderful choice by clicking this video to achieve better sleep in your life. Hi, I am Henry Focus and you're watching Slow Focus. Let's directly get into the topic and address your sleep problem with 3 meditation steps. Previously, I made a short video on meditation that helps better sleep. If you haven't watched it, click on the top right corner now, or the link is available in the description. The first meditation that you could try is affirmation meditation. Affirmation is using positive sentences that you repeat to yourself to build up self-belief in the subconscious mind. An affirmation is a conscious thought which tends to be positive and powerful and aims to support you in some way. Using affirmations can be a great way to tap into your strengths, focus on the good in your life, uplift your mood, and create a more positive reality. How to perform affirmation meditation. 1. Take 3 deep breaths, inhaling and exhaling to a count of 10. 2. Stand in front of a mirror and look yourself in the eyes. Smile, if it feels natural. 3. Say your affirmation, or list of positive affirmations, slowly and clearly. 4. Repeat the affirmations 3 to 5 times, really focusing on the meaning of each word. 5. Take another 3 deep breaths, allowing your body to absorb the positive feeling of the affirmations. They are less powerful if you rush through them, rather than taking the time to truly visualize what you are saying. Doing this helps you significantly to not only stay positive, but also to achieve good sleep. The second meditation that you could try is guided meditation. Guided meditation describes a form of meditation that utilizes a number of different techniques to achieve or enhance the meditative state. It may simply be meditation done under the guidance of a trained practitioner or teacher, or it may be through the use of imagery, music, and other techniques. The session can be either in person, via media comprising music or verbal instruction, or a combination of both. How to perform guided meditation on your own. 1. First, set your intention. 2. Take time to relax the body. 3. Pay close attention to your senses. 4. Investigate what you're feeling. 5. Keep coming back to the body. The benefits of guided meditation start with relieving stress, but don't end there. Meditation has also been shown to lower the risk for depression, improve sleep quality, reduce chronic pain, lower the risk of obesity, and the list goes on. The third meditation that you could try is mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation is a mental training practice that teaches you to slow down racing thoughts, let go of negativity, and calm both your mind and body. It is a mental state that involves being fully focused on the present and accept your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. This form of meditation is considered the most powerful form. How to perform mindfulness meditation. 1. Settle in. Find a quiet space. Using a cushion or chair, sit up straight but not stiff, allow your head and shoulders to rest comfortably, place your hands on the tops of your legs with upper arms at your side. 2. Now breathe. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and relax. Feel the fall and rise of your chest and the expansion and contraction of your belly. With each breath, notice the coolness as it enters and the warmth as it exits. Don't control the breath but follow its natural flow. 3. Stay focused. Thoughts will try to pull your attention away from the breath. Notice them, but don't pass judgment. Gently return your focus to your breath. Some people count their breaths as a way to stay focused. 4. Take 10. Daily practice will provide the most benefits. It can be 10 minutes per day, however, 20 minutes twice a day is often recommended for maximum benefit. As you can see, friends, you must follow any one of these 3 meditation forms to achieve better sleep. Don't try all 3 of it at once, practice only one form of meditation for health benefits. Let us know in the comments how it worked out for you. Subscribe to our channel for daily content. See you again in our next video.